Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn scope of marketing.
Hello and welcome to e-Content on Marketing Management. Today, we are going to learn scope of marketing. Well, marketing's definition talks about need satisfaction. That means expressing in another way, meeting needs profitably. Still another way, it's a process, a social and managerial process of creating, offering and exchanging products of value. For what? For need satisfaction of both the parties, sellers and buyers, for those who are marketers and for those who are customers. Let us understand the scope, the periphery, the syllabus, the study, the areas of marketing management. Well, there are 10 different entities which marketers market. The scope of studying them, marketing them, is known as scope of marketing. The first entity comes over here are goods. Goods are tangible, goods are separable, goods may be durable and perishable, goods are standard normally, may be variable, may be tailor-made several times, but goods are goods which you can touch, which you can feel, which you can separate from manufacturer, which you can use again and again, or you can once consume, and that's all. That's what is something like goods. Well, the second part is services. Services are intangible, services are inseparable, services are perishable, and services are variable. These characteristics differentiate services from goods. Services can also be marketed. Like goods have several examples like cars and bikes and chocolates and wafers and whatnot. Services may even have various examples, like you can say a service of a hotel, service of a doctor, service of a professor, or service of an advocate. You say services are this. which cannot be touched, which cannot be felt. The third point which marketers market is ideas. Several ideas can be marketed. Like there is an ad campaign by Government of India, that's what Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, that talks about unity, that talks about unity of Indians, and that's what is an idea. They are not going to provide you any service, but it's an idea. Family planning is an idea which government markets. Well, let us say fourth entity with which marketers market is about experiences. If we say what is experience? Experience is something which you have. Well, experience can be natural, can be artificial. When you watch a zoo, you are not going to get anything. You are not going to get a service. You are not going to get some goods, and that's not an idea. You know, like you watch a monkey and you got an idea of jumping. I'm sorry, you know how to jump. Well, that's an experience, an environment, an experience which you would like to recall, which you would like to see, which you would like to see in photographs, videos, again and again. Well, there are several events as the fifth entity which can be marketed. Events are events. Celebrations, birthday parties, marriage anniversaries, cricket, you can say thing, you know, a kind of a cup in football or whatsoever. Events are events, and events are even marketed today. You may have seen T20 advertisements on television. It's something related with 2020 cricket. It's something which related with people plays and watch and etc. Well, you would be surprised to know that even persons can be marketed. A person which may have got a unique or different image are also marketed. A person is a celebrity which is marketed. A person who talks about, you know, several different ideas, but he himself is a celebrity which can be marketed. You see, in Satyamev Jayate, Amir Khan markets himself too. Well, not creating any debate, but it is talk about celebrity and celebrity image and etc. Even, let us say, places are also marketed as the seventh entity which talks about scope of marketing. Places like several nations, a safari park, you can say something like, you can say India, and we are talking about you can say the Indian culture. We talk about Indian Atithi Devo Bhava, etc., etc. But the place as in India which is marketed to tourists is place marketing. Even several properties are marketed, like land. To own them, you need to give finance, and that properties, you know, are marketed. Several financial properties are even marketed. You talk about organizations, and organizations are even marketed at several times. And even information is marketed as the last 10th entity. You say you want data on something, and you know, you Google it out. It is marketed in a fabulous way on various websites. Information is given to you at some cost. It is marketed to you. Well, in addition to these entities, we may say there are several areas which are covered as a scope of marketing. There are several subjects which are covered for studying marketing. You need to study them. And they are psychology, they are sociology, they are cultural studies, they are mathematics, they are accountancy, they are finance, they are moral science, there are ethos, and there are, you know, management and commerce and whatnot. You say these areas are even covered under scope of marketing. There are several activities which even come under the scope of marketing, like you need to go for marketing research, you need to go for advertising, you need to go for personal selling, you need to go for understanding the dynamics of a society, dimensions of the society, etc., etc. Even industries and their behavior and industrial products and production and finance, and you need to understand them. They are all come under the scope of marketing area. Well, this we can say is about scope of marketing. Summing up, let's say 10 entities which a marketer markets: goods, services, ideas, experiences, events, persons, places, properties, organizations, information. In addition to this 10 entities, there are several areas and there are several activities which come under the scope of marketing.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.